Oh, it's wet out. Super wet out here. Oh.
Hey, bruh, I'll be so dead.
It's barely raining anymore.
Roger, how do you feel looking down the glass broke?
Oh, pilot boat.
Well, how do you feel this thing cracked?
Oh,
Well,
no way.
how hard of an impact do you think that'd be if you fell down there? If you don't hit the beam right there.
Yeah.
If you hit that beam, you're done. You ain't getting it up.
Might save you. It's a pirate boat. That's probably what's gonna save you. Here we go now. Up, 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 down, up.
No, not weedy. No.
Alright, guys. Oh, what's going on?
I got 32 people walking.
That's the Caribbean princess right there.
Please don't know me. I'm
Oh,
really trying to
I
stop my
see it
phone.
right there. Okay.
Sunny sail, guys.
Don't put so many windows in it. You can literally look right through their house. No privacy. All these guys, they're properly.
have shipped us pilot.
They actually captain. I captain you.
Well, man, I'd rather have pilot than captain.
Good point.
Yeah, I think I'd rather have pilot than captain.
Yeah, that's Miami right there.
Well, you didn't want to go back, right?
No.
No.
That's Miami?
Yeah.
We were that close?
Yeah. It's like a 45-minute drive. Alright guys, so sail away already happened. We are sailing right now. We're heading to the buffet, see if it's open, Windjammer. And right there is the Caribbean Princess. Have no idea where the hell she's going, but she's going out to sea. My friends say, where you going? I said out to sea, you know. But
We're riding the coast.
yeah, we're riding the coast a little bit. We gotta go down south, take down to Haiti. I'm questioning what's going on right now. Okay. We'll just go outside, hang outside. Huh? Not really. They're not. That line's technically actually on the wall. Well, this is dinner. I wasn't trying to eat dinner dinner. I just wanted to.
What you getting a little bit to eat?
Let's hang out. Let's hang out. No. Hey, Italian. Hold on. Italian bread, I'll get that. Mini pasta. You want to try this place one day?
Yeah, but I'm confused. How much it cost?
Hold on, man. Can't be more than like, I don't know. How much you think it costs?
I don't know. Let's find out. Check it out. Come on. I'm trying to figure where all the other restaurants.
Alright guys, we're in the room right now. We're about to go get something to eat right now, and then we're gonna go watch the show. It's the Aqua show. I can only probably show maybe a couple seconds, just a little bit of it, because you know, legal reasons and things like that, and I probably don't want to spoil it for you, because hopefully you guys be able to join. You go on Harmony, Alert, or Wasive, or Sympathy, and you can watch it for yourself. So I'm not gonna be able to video too much. Then we're gonna be heading, we're gonna come back here, pretty much get dressed, and then we're gonna be doing night pooling, because clearly it's not like Carnival. Nobody goes in the pool during nighttime. So
And Gabby's night today.
yeah. So we'll see you guys there. Try pepperoni. Try pepperoni. Pepperoni on his plate.
Located on deck number 5 at this time.
Number 5.
Mrs. Fanny
Mr.
Vizino
what?
from deck number 6. Mr. Patricio Vizino from
Wow.
deck number 6.
I'm surprised you can
Please
pronounce
proceed
that.
to the guest services desk located on deck number 5 at this time. Thank you.
Don't you have to make a thumbnail?
Two things. It's the pictures I have and Google.
Oh, got the Cavs jersey on.
Don't you have to upload it like when you get home because you don't have one?
No, I have JCLs.
You got the Cavs jersey on.
You know, just having that Cavs jersey boosts his rating to 0. Right there.
Where? Oh, I see your cat.
You might want to take that shit.
I feel bad for y'all because y'all have Jake Paul on your side.
We have Jay what?
Jake Paul.
Hey, that, I
Pollard on the Cavaliers.
I don't like that man.
And Logan Pollard.
I mean, them boys are trash. Yeah, I said it.
I used to watch them.
They trash.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look at the sunset.
And I thought something happened or something. Like somebody fell off the ship. She talk about the sunset.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm a kid.
I need my videos to be dramatic. Yeah. All I need you in a thumbnail, like, he falls off! And boom. 1 million views right there. Girl falls off cruise ship. Boom. That's like 1 million views right
Now,
there.
when I went to the Bahamas, I almost lost my shoes. And they almost lost me.
Bahamas. You
Yeah.
going to...
Do Bahamas.
Yeah, you saw that, right?
Yeah,
You saw, he tried to dunk, though. I can dunk a tennis ball. That's all I can dunk.
They can knock each other
Okay,
over.
Oh, big man, big fella, don't hurt yourself.
He looks like Isaac. They remember Isaac?
Big man tired. Oh, he going to coast to coast. He going to coast to coast.
Ebony, pay attention. Move.
All right, time to wait for people. Where you guys, man? Come on.
Yeah, Dennis is coming in. Took his phone.
Why?
The stateroom and the CMR suitcases.
Was it there?
I don't know. My phone says his.
Your stuff is there. Yeah.
So you ready for the first show of the cruise?
Yeah.
Probably can't record, so I need to hide this.